The big brand sale is on at OK Furniture and it's too good to miss. Enjoy massive savings on brands you know and love. And when you spend 2,999 or more, you'll stand a chance to win one of 20 shopping sprees worth 50,000 rands. Browse our catalog and grab your favorites before the 4th of May 2025. While stocks last, T's and C's apply. It is going to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is Times, the CEO, it's Kaiser Chiefs 1, Marumo Gallants 2. They come from behind to beat Kaiser Chiefs in the Betway Premiership. It's a battle of teams one nowhere really in the picture of South African football in terms of the league. Oxam Paqulana, waphumelela uxam oyi-1 phakathi kwabo bobayi-2 ekuqaleni kwesizini ibingu-2-1 kwawina uxam oyi-1 oyi-Chiefs namhlanje kuwine omnye uxam oyi-Marumo Gallants. Abayindawo bobabini bayanyuka bayehla konumber 8 nonumber 9 njalo njalo. Udlaliwe kumdlalo woxam kwabonakala ke nyani uba ngumdlalo woxam waphumelela oyi-1 wabo. Junior Khanya, our analyst, what did you make of the game, sir?
Enkululeko Maprada kunjani?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ngibulise TJK.
TKJ.
Analyst ye wrestling.
Iyancane wrestling.
Abo King Kali yabanzi.
Yeah.
Nabo shoti khona lesha maswaswati.
Oh, Rey Mysterio.
Yes, yeah.
Abo Jinder Mahal.
Ngincane. Ngibulise uLindo Pep.
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise ubobuzini Benedict Sovila kazi ngibulise uMachaka. Ngibulise uShane. Ebafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting this TV fighting no one try to fix South African football. Yeah, I think coming to this game, mana ngazi kwenzakaleni ngibona uNabi angene ethanelini, and as far as I know, especially after the game, once we interview another coach, we should ama coaches both, they need to be there to be interviewed.
Yeah, there's media duties. No, unokuphuma uphinde ungene.
Hayi akabuyanga.
Banokuxoxela bakutshela ukuthi go back.
Hayi
Abantu beclub banokuxoxela ukuthi hey siyakubona ukuthi ukwatile buya.
yeah ngibona
So
la
was it there for a post match?
akabuyanga.
Okay.
Ngene ethanelini nathi besimele yona. So going to the game Nkululeko mfethu, I think Chiefs started very well. Yabo. I think specifically let me identify this guy Uliliepo.
Glody.
Yeah, individual brilliance goal. The guy did very well, especially ngalela goal combination him and Mtu. Well done, yabo. Good goal. But after that, why ahlalela nini always? You're not going to be dangerous. Ipola kwelinye side just come in. Did it kwamanye ama game. But now why Pola on the right hand side when udlala on the left sitting there on the line? On Makwe line. Always small receive. If you receive bad is uphuma ipola. Going to the game, I think ngizomnika nyazi lengamla mina ngisifena lengamla yabona. Nami ngibe ne debate nje nabo so
Bradley Cross.
namhla udlale kahle. But the primary job yakhe ngithi ukudefend. I don't think he was tested, but in terms of decision making udlale kahle yabona. He did very well technically. I saw him but not tested. Ngiyeko Marumo Gallants after conceding especially goal, they dominated the goal. They showed with the bafuni goal. They played like a team that was searching for a goal, looking for a goal. Nomte Charlie, I think the boy on the middle field, yalazi ball out. Very good player. I love the energy, decision making, underrated. I'm not saying he must go wherever, but I think him. Nhlapo primary job yakhe uyenzile as a holding midfield.
Yeah.
Well done to him. Mahlatsi, I want consistency from the boy. There's been kunesetu Mahlatsi. Ngimbonile ukuthi DC ku SuperSport mfana gqoka number 5. Makajoin PSL, different player. I don't think he's playing according to his strengths. Akuyazaza kana strength. Why we are pound to pound ngebody. Bekumfana skillful. Just sebenzisa ibody yakho, use your quick feet. Umahlatsi egamini today I think they bebaleka ngaye, especially ngoba badlala bayi-3 midfield. This guy
Daniel Msendami.
yes, I think he was a strong point, especially we have a reference kule team eMarumo Gallants bebadlala ku side la left, not in the right hand side, not much. I think there was a goal, especially ngale cross goalkeeper in the blunder, but this guy we get threat. Solomon's always going forward. Ngihlale ngisho mina as a defender focus on a primary job. Wow dive. Yes, wow dive because of you always late. The coach want udlala ngeweight. I mean the coach achieves. I'm not too sure with the instruction from the players ngibone this guy uhlelini asosiphola lisangale. Eliphumela ngaphandle. Sometimes you get away with it. Sometimes liphumela ngaphandle kwenza twice laphumela ngaphandle. Why diagonal? Ngoba lento le yenza uJaden angalithatha le bhola lise boxini. So leya guy leyo omawulisa ngale kule ya wing engale mele nenze ni cross or wing back. I understand. That's why ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi instruction or ukungahlakaniphi kweplayer. Sikhuluma nge-season player. Coming to the game, I think Marumo Galansi, they got a goal because they deserve with Balcholi goal. They were searching.
The equalizing goal.
Yes, they were searching but poor from the goalkeeper. This boy, Yanim Satam, I think Batlali pockets lapha.
Yeah.
They played the
That was
pocket.
a good move.
They played pocket. I think far post goalkeeper while Busele came in. The fixing just pile that ball away. Itilim champe lo muntu la ku-6 now uyaliphuncha lwela la balishala abuya khona abadlalanga even far from unezandla une-advantage isikoti inezandla nenyawo sebenzisa inyawo if bengeke uzuye phansi quick sebenzisa inyawo poor from Priceville season player. I mean, we're not being harsh to players, but we need to be realistic. I mean, the team lost. Lela pola begi 1-1. I think Chiefs mhlambe ingadropa, but ngalela pola even nalo le pola le goal number 2. Ngiyazi ukuthi yes le awuthi questionable, there was a bit of offside in there was interference akalithashanga omunye bekomnika omunye bengekamniki a bit omunye bekazoyijudge offside because of interference yabo ukuthi mhlawumbe uthi step the goalkeeper thought but omunye bengekamniki ngoba akalithashanga. The goalkeeper poor from him as well. Wawulala walibe ne drop kick lela bhola phuma uyofix ibhola. I mean, when unezandla, I mean, this guy, Big Menal, just go out and fix the ball or hold the ball. Uvalo. So, Mangana goalkeeper, it's a problem, especially with big team like Orlando Pirates, like Kaizer Chiefs. Pirates got one of the best goalkeepers, especially in the country. Ronald Williams as well, Sundowns. It's only Chiefs as a big team. And I think Gulaba ilahla khona cala. And Eshinamhlabeng Peggy Bench Chiefs after watching. There's another thing for Kaizer Chiefs. Yusuf Mart, once Baksusa from the middle field, Bagisa go right back. But it's a favor for me. It's understanding in football, a favor. Mabaksusa, fan udala up front, we winger, right forward or left forward or central striker. Bagisa go left or right back, right center back or left center back or right back. Then there's a problem. It's a big favor. A contract it's a must play because Mart in the middle life fell now, did nothing. So many negative. Dala ngama stop and go. Mangimpeka nje game yakhe ngikhuluma nge-first half, not even forward passes makadlale forward, it has to be diagonal. Lo mfana mele receive uphasa uduba kanjalo phezulu diagonal long ball. It's the only player ngizomcomplimenta lo mfana uduba for me. I think recently, let me put it that way, umfana so far kunama games ngizothi after isikhathi eside ngiyibonile development player eChiefs, he's got a character, not one of the best, no singacamba ma ne character, he's got a big heart, the boy. The mfana loya, he works for you. Technical also is good. Decision making better. And ukudlala nge-mobile striker ku-Chiefs mina ngifuna badlale ngomuntu onjengayo. But ngifuna surrounding. But now Chiefs on the left hand side Clayton Scott cima. Makhaya line always on the line. On the other side umile da. And on another side I think with the Breeze look lost. You can't play him lapha umdlalisa side because
I don't think this coach wants him to play striker.
Yo, nghlole badlala nga 3 strikers.
He lost. Always playing him wide. What did you think about the changes? Because Chiefs, there's a point where Chiefs is chasing the game. They are 2-1 down. What was the reaction from the coaching? What did they change? Did it make any difference?
I mean, again, it means different because intense again they got punished. Yeah, but they got punished. These guys, I know they considered silly goal. It's a goalkeeper, error goalkeeper. I can't blame anyone. But now we reaction. My budget won't go. Rangiti Marumo considered, and then they came back and score. And Chiefs, the body language lack intelligence. We need to be honest. The football intelligence by lack. But but there was no intelligence. But without ucabanga. Nalento ukuthi ufaka umthetho. Why eliminating this boy? Mina for me ucela kusi wow. Mina ngizoyibeka ngengifihla. But in terms of all these players Chiefs have, and in terms of football understanding, much better than these players. Because it's composed. Very comfortable on the ball. Decision making something else. Just letting Funa Minati Avariti Kemeak. You need to play sometimes behind the defense. Yabo ngifuna ukumbona adlala different splitting pass. Ngeke udlala chop la. One way I think igame yakhe kulayileka khona. Into kumele asilungise. Mara nenye into ngamblame, angayistresha, uyistresha labona. Lo muntu amphasa uzoyenzana ngalelo bhola. Ngoba ifuna umuntu smart ku understand naleyo nto. So ucoaching bona uyam eliminate. Chiefs stop playing. now vele beka expect ukuthi ukhe sidlala in maximum football we noma ngabe 3 touch litholakala eboxini I don't care so ngapha ufaka this guy le ebuye ku SuperSport ye striker
Morris
hayi center back
ngathi yakhala
yeah, center back. You're chasing a game, you put that guy.
Yeah, Grootman yethu utso yathi makuchithwa wonke umuntu kushiyeka abantu abadlala bayi-3.
Yeah, nabo labo bayi-3 let's get serious. No, we're not making a fun of Chiefs, yabo. We played for Chiefs. Hayi kabi mfethu. We're not saying we're better than whoever. But Chiefs mina ngiyaziyo njengoba ngihlale ngisho and I'm not going to stop saying this until benze into right. Not everybody can play for Chiefs. Yabo kwinyika today they played poor. I mean, lengamla njoba ngisho today, not been tested nayo. Ngoba nange ngifake mina. I'm not going to sign him as well. There's better players that you can get. Mashiane leg match fitness, mara namfana mawutholi chances you know ubuya ku development product. Just show boy. Show ukuthi just bheka kunama player mawungayitholi chance. You're not going to get a chance. We're not going to be given a chance again. Just show mawungena. I mean, it disaster. Looking their bench Upotsani again, I think he tried nine namhlanje, but now it's cut a second 32 years. We're talking about the season player. We can't say it's better. We want more.
At what point is the coach under pressure? I know he maybe rescued himself from Ngokushaya Sundowns go semi-final and mhlambe by some luck if he beats Pirates in the final, it extends life yakhe with Chiefs. But at what point is he under pressure? Do you think if he doesn't win the final, if we lose the derby next week, year league, I'll lose the derby a final? Do you think he has any leg to stand on?
Sundowns, they replayed the part.
Well, I mean, I agree with you, but
Yeah,
they won on paper.
Yeah,
they won.
obviously. In terms of we like it or not, Chiefs they are country.
Yeah, they went to the final.
Yeah,
Yeah, no, I agree with you that everyone saw that. But my point is that it gave him a life. Ngoba,
Oh yes.
it kept him in the Nedbank Cup, in Bamfara foot in the Confederations Cup. But in the league, they're not doing well. They drew 0-0 last week in the cheaper. Namhlanje bashaya Marumo Gallants. They keep on losing to teams they're supposed to beat.
Yazi mina ngikhalela mangithi akashaya Sundowns. I know they beat Sundowns automatically Chiefs officially.
They're in the final.
But how many games they won in bagcineni ukuwina kubhethu Premiership? It's about 6 games lene.
I don't
They
know.
beat
They
Sundowns.
don't
Angithi
really
if
win.
they beat Sundowns, true. If they beated Sundowns official ngekwe VAR,
Yeah.
bengana scale they're supposed to be cheaper.
Yeah,
They went to cheaper. No, VAR.
that's true.
They went to cheaper.
If you can beat the best team in the country, then you should beat cheaper.
They
You
were
should,
the
you should
finally
be
Champions
Marumo
League.
Gallants. Yeah.
They are not at the best now. I spend their favor. Yabo. But best team. We need to be straightforward. Many players.
You don't win 7 league titles in a row without being the best team.
And we the Champions League. Papa.
Yeah.
So you beat them and then you throw Chiefs. Cheap. Ayayenza sense, yabo. And then you come and lose to this guy. Nabo labo ngibabukeli they play Pirates, they beat Pirates, but ngibabukeli after Pirates badlala enye into intando yabo. Ngikhuluma ngayo Marumo Gallants. Lack consistency nabo.
Yeah.
The players get baba motivated, play
Let's go back
Pirates.
to the coach.
Yeah.
At what point is he going to be under
I
pressure?
under pressure. Njoba ngisho top 8 angibaboni bayo. And mina ngibona unaba resign mfethu. Awuyibhale phansi uzoyibona. And ngakutshela so ithathe serious. It's going to resign this guy because mawuzongena etunnelini so something is not
It's very frustrating.
yeah akusijoke futhi and angeke yabona the way sekwenzeka ngakhona they lack quality these players as well they get yabona nama Unabi is not one of the best for me. Mina could go for South African coach. It is Pito Nangurulani mina bengimlanda first. Bengizomcela nje fede my brother it's negotiated can you leave. But Rulani is one of the best. Okanye Pito the best coach has proved himself so everywhere around the country outside the country.
Yeah.
But players as well. Atlalindi Mengu. Abo Price Vuma. I don't understand ukuthi kulela chase baligcwa kanjani. Bona bo Morris yobasikhuluma. Kwinyika mina daily scores on. Ngizwile ukuthi wakhuluma nga 3 players ukuthi beyangashiya. Mina sikhulumena ngokhune mina lekhune ngisazoshe. Star leya. Yona leya enkuleko mfethu nezinto engeziphinde zenzeke mfethu. It's like uJesu Kristu abo Moses Daniel ngikwenzela umzekelo eBhayibhelini. Abo Moses bebaphiwe bashaya imihlolo ngenduku zabo. Abo Daniel le uKristu beyiringa direct ne last number. Ibody le in 3 days aphaphama. So imihlolo njengale. So khune iChiefs into abo khune they are greatest. Abo Ace sort of. Esangibukele ngimhlonipha kakhulu was uye wadlala indima enkulu nami ukuthi ngitholakala ukhune kwenye level mfethu into enjengale ayitholakala leave khune until angazi ize mfana lo mfana just kumele bamiyeke lo if unyango still playing khune is 36 37 Just allow the boy play, man. Fitness ayithole, I'm sure makadlala naye ibhodi bekazoyilungisa yakhe. The mindset wanted to play. Mangikhuluma naye mina nginokukhuluma nomfana manje even nami. Ngikhuluma naye ngoba ngidlale nomfana ku development mina. Ngikhula nje nomfana hayi ukuthi icale my relationship. One of the best ngeke ngimenzele ifavor yalazi ibhola. Kune is not a good goalkeeper. He knows football as well.
All right, there you go. Thank you so much, Junior. That was Kaizer Chiefs losing, or Maruma Gallants winning against Kaizer Chiefs at the FNB Stadium. It is KTV Times. World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching.